Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add NFC card to iPhone wallet or like Apple wallet. So how can you add it? So first of all, go to the Apple wallet app in your mobile phone, and if you do not have this application called wallet, so just go to the app store and find the app called wallet and download it in your phone. And once you have done, just go to the wallet app, and on here you will see like a plus icon on the upper right corner. So just click on this icon from here, and after that you will see this interface, add to wallet. So you can see the available cards, the previous cards that I have chosen, there are none. So I have not added any of the card, and apply for Apple card, add Apple account, and debit or credit card, travel card, driving license or state ID. So from here, just choose this option called debit or credit card. And once you go here, just click on continue. And once you click on continue, as you can see, hold near card. Hold iPhone near the chip on the card to add into wallet. So just make sure to hold your phone near the card and you will be able to add it. And let's say you want to enter the card dates manually. So as you can see, this is my name. So enter the name that is on your card, and after that enter the card number, like say this is the card number. So once you enter the card number, just click on next and you will be able to add your NFC card to the Apple wallet. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add NFC card to the iPhone or Apple wallet.